again. What the freak? No. No, not sussy. Okay. I just need to see if they have Chapter 8 skins. They don't. Okay, oh my god. These are all only up to Chapter 7. There. There. What the freak? What the hell are you talking about? What the fuck? Create a Piggy. Oh, dear. Create a Piggy skins. I need the Chapter 8 skins as well. Shh. So it doesn't really matter, does it? I guess I'll just tell you them at the end since I can't find them. So, okay, here's Piggy. Okay, well, his head's cut off. Good tier. Budgie. Budgie is okay tier. Dino Piggy is okay tier. Billy is bad tier. Bunny is god tier. It's good tier. Clowny is okay tier. Crove is bad tier. Frostiggy is horrible tier. Giraffe, bro, there's so much skins. Giraffe is good tier. Katie is good tier. Coley is okay tier. Devil is, what's his name? Devil. Okay, Devil is bad tier. Lisa, is that her name? Lisa is okay tier. I mean, that's not really a skin, it's just IKEA skin. Dessa is bad tier. What's his name? Dakota. Dakota is good tier. Ellie is she's a plum. Father Pig is bad tier. Felix, amazing tier. No. He's god tier. God tier. Doggy walks up to God tier. That's where Doggy's walking up to God tier. I'm kidding. He's good. And Alfie's boy. He is just so good. Golden Piggy. Gold Piggy. Brr, more. I don't know where we should put him. Amazing tier. I like him. I mean, it's just a recolor with wings. Oh, I love Kraken. I love him. Ooh, bro, I love Rash. Oh, Pony. Pony is amazing tier. God tier is like my personal favorite. Oh, Sketchy. I love this. He's so good. God tier. Mari. Cheese will go good tier. Memory is okay tier. Polly. I really like how Minitoon in Batimo, I mean Nasimo, teamed up. That was very cool. So amazing tier. Grant, no. Go down there. Most of the piggies I don't like because they're just 3 colors. So Ghosty will go. He's got to go with Budgie, you know. Actually, no. Budgie's one of my personal favorites. Oh, Stitchy. He gives me creeps. I hate him. No, get him away from me. Okay, Robbie. I love this skin. I don't know why. Bro, I have so much God tier favorites. Well, Doggy's the same thing, so he goes back up. Hi, Andy. Yeah, Andy's amazing tier. Actually, no. Good tier has the most. I would expect that. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Bess. Bess is amazing tier. I love that Easter egg hunt. Sadly, I didn't get it. Oh my god. Pickle Rick, he's God tier. He's so God tier. Like, Pickle Rick. I mean, I don't know why the heck that's Mini Toons. This is very funny. Like, why? There's no reason. Crazy good. Oh, I love Skelly. I love Skelly. Bruh, I loved Skelly back then. I still do. Ooh, bro, why do I love Torture so much? Oh wait, no. Stitchy's gotta go in horrible tier since he's so creepy. Moving Torture up. Oh. That's gonna be a hard one. I like him, but normal Tigrery is better than TSP Tigrery. So it's just a recolor TSP Tigrery. Taggy. Soldier. I love Soldier. He's amazing tier. He's so good. That was a cool one. See, I love these hunts. They were epic. So cold. Okay. That would go with amazing. I'm keeping HD tier. Ooh, Foxy. Plum. I know, there's purple potatoes, actually. If you didn't know that, that's a funny thing. I mean, don't laugh at it. There's such a thing. It's purple potato. That's all it is. Oh, Piggy. He's good tier. Zizzy. She's got to go with his husband. There. You go in okay tier. You go in good tier. You go in good tier. You. I don't know where to put you because you're a recolor of you. So go in bad tier. 2. I only got 5 skins left. 2. Oh yeah, I'm rapping here on Boo, on Zoo. I got this music speaker going 2. You don't know I'm gonna rap for the whole rest of the thing. I'll see you in the next one in the ring. And then I'm gonna sip it, and I'm gonna sing, 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 sing. Let's put him in. Put him in, put him in, put him in okay tier. Now you are a last contestant and you deserve a little nice God tier. Oh yeah. I will see you in the next one. Hold a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Have we even talked about Bobby, Pepper, and Kenneth, and Archie, and Kamosi? We haven't. Bobby goes in God tier. Bobby goes in good tier. And Pepper goes in amazing tier. It was right there. And Kenneth goes in good tier. Archie goes in God tier. Kamosi goes in horrible tier. 'Cause he gives me nightmares like Stitch. I'll see you in the next one. Because this was really fun. But if you don't subscribe, I'll come to your house. 'Cause I know your address and I got a lot of clout.